Hello, my name is Jan. I will be the main teacher of the summer school course about 3D printing in pharmaceutics. And I would like to welcome anybody to enroll into the course that is somehow interested in getting to know the differences and basics between all of the 3D printing methods that are usable in the field of pharmaceuticals. The reason why I think our course is unique, at least in Europe, it is unique and at this moment, is because we are able to show you all of the different methods. As you know, there are many places you can learn some kind of a 3D printing at the moment, but we are able to give you an overview of all of them and give you an examples of the pharmaceutical dosage forms that you will be able to make by each of them, their pros and cons and stuff like this. So in the end of the course, you will be able to select the best method for your needs.